Let's take up question based on periodic table. The first question, the correct order of atomic size of nitrogen, carbon, phosphorus, sulfur follows the sequence. Nitrogen is less than carbon, is less than phosphorus, is less than sulfur, or carbon is less than nitrogen, less than phosphorus, less than sulfur. Carbon is less than nitrogen, less than phosphorus, less than sulfur, or nitrogen is less than carbon, less than sulfur, less than phosphorus. The correct answer is nitrogen is smallest because it has 7 protons and 7 electrons, maximum effective nuclear charge. Carbon has 6 protons and 6 electrons. Effective nuclear charge is less than nitrogen, so it is bigger than nitrogen. Sulfur is atomic number 16, so number of shells are more, so it is bigger in size. Phosphorus has got 15 protons and 15 electrons. Effective nuclear charge is less than that of sulfur, which has 16 protons and 16 electrons. Therefore, phosphorus is biggest in this group. Correct answer is D part. Next question, in isoelectronic series of potassium ion, chloride ion, sulfide ion and calcium ion, the largest ion is calcium ion, potassium ion, chloride ion, sulfide ion. Correct answer is sulfide ion. Why? In case of isoelectronic ions, number of protons will decide the size. Lesser the number of protons, lesser will be the effective nuclear charge and bigger will be the size. Sulfide ion has 16 protons and 18 electrons. Therefore, it is largest in size due to least effective nuclear charge. Chlorine has 17 protons, potassium has 19 protons and calcium has 20 protons. Calcium ion is smallest because it has highest number of protons, that is highest nuclear charge, therefore highest effective nuclear charge. So largest ion in this case is sulfide ions, and if you want to find out smallest ion, that will be calcium ion. Next question, which of the following ions has lowest ionization potential? Ionization potential is same as ionization energy or ionization enthalpy. We have options: magnesium ion, sodium ion, fluoride ion, oxide ion. Correct answer is oxide ion. Why oxide ion? Because it has only 8 protons and 10 electrons. So effective nuclear charge is least. Therefore, size is largest. Therefore, it can lose electron easily. Whereas magnesium ion, sodium ion, fluoride ion are also isoelectronic, but they have more number of protons. Fluoride ion has 9 protons, sodium ion has 11 protons and magnesium ion has 12 protons. And greater the number of protons, more will be effective nuclear charge and highest will be ionization energy. So oxide ion has lowest ionization energy due to least effective nuclear charge because of least number of protons, that is 8. Next question, the electron affinity of beryllium is almost similar to that of lithium, boron, sodium, neon. Correct answer is neon. Reason is beryllium has 1s2, 2s2 completely filled s orbital. Neon has completely filled valence shell 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. So both are stable, both do not want to gain electron and become unstable. Therefore, their electron affinity is almost 0. Next question, the electronegativity of nitrogen, phosphorus, oxygen and sulfur follows the following sequence. Sulfur is less than phosphorus, is less than nitrogen, is less than oxygen, or phosphorus is less than sulfur, is less than nitrogen, is less than oxygen, or nitrogen is less than oxygen, is less than phosphorus, is less than sulfur, or nitrogen is less than phosphorus, is less than sulfur, is less than oxygen. Correct answer is second part. Oxygen is most electronegative element out of these because it is smallest in size. Second most electronegative atom is nitrogen because it is bigger than oxygen but smaller than sulfur and phosphorus. Out of phosphorus and sulfur, phosphorus has less electronegativity because it is larger and sulfur is smaller. So the correct answer will be phosphorus is less than sulfur sulfur has less than nitrogen, and nitrogen has less than oxygen. It can be discussed on the basis of atomic size. Next, the correct order of second ionization enthalpy of carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and fluorine is: carbon is greater than phosphorus, is greater than oxygen, is greater than fluorine. Oxygen is greater than nitrogen, is greater than fluorine, is greater than carbon. Or oxygen is greater than fluorine, is greater than nitrogen, or greater than carbon. Fluorine is greater than oxygen, is greater than nitrogen, and greater than carbon. So the correct answer is D part. Why? Because in case of fluorine, after losing one electron, it will have electronic configuration 2p4, and effective nuclear charge will increase because it has more number of protons as compared to oxygen. Now oxygen has got 1s2, 2s2, 2p3 after losing one electron, so it is highly stable. So therefore its ionization enthalpy will be higher than nitrogen, which after losing one electron does not have stable electronic configuration. And carbon is 1s2, 2s2, 2p1 because it has lost one electron. So after that one more electron it can easily lose. So second ionization energy is lowest. Atomic radii of fluorine and neon respectively are 0.72, 1.60 Armstrong, 1.60 each, or 0.72 each, or none of these. Correct answer is first part, because fluorine is smaller than neon. In neon, we can measure only van der Waals radii, which is bigger than covalent radii. That is why the neon atomic radii is more than that of fluorine. The correct order of first ionization energy of carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and fluorine is: carbon is greater than nitrogen, is greater than oxygen, is greater than fluorine, or oxygen is greater than nitrogen, is greater than fluorine, is greater than carbon. Oxygen is greater than fluorine, is greater than nitrogen, is greater than carbon. And D part, fluorine is greater than nitrogen, greater than oxygen, and greater than carbon. So correct answer is D part. Fluorine has greater than nitrogen because of more effective nuclear charge, and nitrogen has greater than oxygen because it has stable electronic configuration. Oxygen has greater than carbon because it is smallest in size. So this is the correct order of ionization energy. Alkali metals in respective periods have smallest size, lowest ionization energy, highest ionization energy, highest electronegativity. Correct answer is lowest ionization energy because they have largest atomic size, so they can lose electron easily to become stable. The correct increasing order of atomic radii among sodium, potassium, magnesium, and rubidium: magnesium as less than potassium is less than sodium is less than rubidium, or magnesium as less than sodium, sodium as less than potassium is less than rubidium. Magnesium as less than sodium, less than rubidium, and less than potassium. Sodium has less than potassium, which has less than rubidium, and rubidium has less than magnesium. The correct answer is second part. Magnesium is less than sodium because it has 12 protons, 12 electrons, more effective nuclear charge. Sodium has less than potassium because number of shells in potassium are 4 and sodium are 3. Rubidium has got even more number of shells, that's why it is larger.